Welcome everyone to this e-learning tutorial. I am Nishu Singh, an assistant professor in Department of Computer Science of ANDC University of Delhi. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to install MySQL on Windows operating system. Open a browser window and enter MySQL in the search bar. Click on the search result associated to mysql.com. In order to download the MySQL installer, go to the Download section by clicking the Downloads tab option. Click on the link saying MySQL Community Downloads to continue further. Among the list of repositories and download options, click on the MySQL installer. For Windows, link to continue. A page containing installer configuration system will be loaded. From the given drop-down menu, select the operating system as Windows and click on the download option, which has a file size of 422.4 MB. This is the offline MySQL Community installer, which already contains all the required packages. Now click on No Thanks. Just start my download option to start the downloading process. Wait for the download to complete and execute the downloaded file upon completion. This will open a system prompt asking for the installer to take over to make necessary changes to your system for installation. Select Yes to continue. Finally, the installation wizard will pop up. In the installation wizard, under choosing a setup type section, click on custom option and press next. You are supposed to select the packages containing the MySQL server, MySQL Workbench and the MySQL shell from the available product section and move them to the products to be installed section by clicking the green arrow provided in between the two sections. For example, the MySQL Server 8.0.23 package is available under the tree structure named MySQL Server, followed by MySQL Server directory, followed by MySQL Server 8.0 directory. After you have selected all the required components, the products to be installed section will contain the MySQL Server 8.0.23, MySQL Workbench 8.0.23 and the MySQL Shell 8.0.23. Note that the versions may vary depending upon the latest additions by the developer and the architecture of the operating system. Click on the highlighted Next button, followed by Execute option to install all the components into your system. In case you don't have it installed, the installer may also prompt you to download and install the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable for Visual Studio 2019. For the next few prompts, click on the highlighted Next button to move to the configuration process. In order to configure the MySQL server and the Workbench, set up root user password. Make sure to remember this password as it will be used to log into the MySQL command line client. Click on the Next to verify the Windows Services options and apply configuration confirmation. Finally, click on the Execute option and wait till all the configuration steps are successfully executed. At last, click on the Finish button. This MySQL shell and Workbench windows will now pop up. Now click on Local Instance MySQL 8.0 and enter the MySQL root user password. Click to check the Save Password in Vault option. Open the File Explorer and move to the installation directory containing the MySQL bin library. By default, it is saved in the C drive inside the Program Files folder, followed by MySQL folder. Copy the path to the MySQL bin library. Now open a command prompt window from the search menu and change the directory to the copied path. Enter the command mysql -u root-p and enter your password to continue. Now enter the MySQL query show databases semicolon to display the list of existing databases. Thanks for watching this tutorial.